Hi guys! We're here at Park and Fly waiting for our driver. Because where are we going, my love? We're going to Bohol. So, yeah. Papark muna kami. Here we go. Terminal 3. Yeah. We're here. Bigat ng luggage namin. Ano ba yan, Kyle? We got our boarding pass and you have to fill this up before you arrive sa Bohol. So, let's go. Our breakfast. Udon and what's this? Chicken teriyaki. Yay! Smell naman, my love. Please step on the footpath. Go, step on it. Go straight na, baby. Next is navigation. Oh. Go. Temperature. And then we wait here to give us instructions now. Prepare our trays up and the IDs. The line is pretty fast. Medyo organized. Exit. Tourist. Waiting for our sundo. Here is our sundo. Afternoon. Kuya, malayo po yun, resort?
Malapit lang po lang. 3 minutes.
3 minutes lang. Malapit lang. We're here. Birds of Paradise. We go. Mini bar. Lounge area. 4 feet pool. So cute. Oh, I love that. Sabi ni ate, our room is the biggest deluxe here in the second floor. So, maniniwala ko sa kanya. Ate. Oh, look at our room. Close the door, my love. So cute. There's a single bed and a king bed and a workplace for tonight. Mini ref, TV. Wait, I'll just go to the bathroom first. Hey, 2 sinks. 1 for you, 1 for me. Cute. Shower. Look at the lights. So cute. Oh, this place is so cute. So cozy. I love the interior design and the wallpaper. Is it wallpaper or... No, it's painting. Yeah, it's mural. Nice. So we go to Alona Beach with Kuya Tricycle. So we're here at Alona Beach. Para siyang, feel ko parang sa Boracay. But the beach is parang low tide. I think low tide. We'll look for something to eat. Gusto namin mag-ihaw-ihaw. Sige kuya, kunin mo na. Isa pong chicken, 4 na isaw, saka isang balon-balunan. Hotdog, Kyle? No? Saka din isang hotdog. So, we have our food. Isaw and barbecue. Oh, let's eat na. Isaw. Chicken. So, tapos na kami mag-barbecue. Now, we will try if kaya naming mag-walk to the resort. Because they said 15 minutes lang siya, or 10 to 15 minutes. So, try namin para sa steps. So, meron namang mga 7-Eleven, McDo here. McDo! And Jollibee. Meron ding island souvenirs. And some coffee shop. See? After 5 minutes, we made it. Well, wala pa kami dun, pero look! Bird of paradise. After this path, we're there.
Ang gulo ng bed niya. Actually, that's our bed. Ang gulo na kasi I slept. That's a single bed. We're watching The Good Place again. I can listen to it. Sige na. Bye.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
It's our first day of our tour today. And right now, we're gonna go for breakfast.
Breakfast time. I have my mask here. Look a bit. Here's our food. Tea. American breakfast. Here's our tour service. Just the two of us. Usog. A little usog.
First time po dito, ma'am?
No, it's my second time. First time ni baby boy. Ni not baby pala. Ni big boy.
Baby big boy na.
Saan tayo una, kuya?
Tarsier po, ma'am.
Tarsier, yay!
Chocolate Hills pa pala, ma'am. Sorry yun.
Okay.
Malayo, ma'am. Nascar na po.
Ilang oras po yun?
Isang oras po mahigit po.
1 hour, okay. Makatulog.
After an hour and a half, we are going. So they give the voucher.
Okay na?
I check it. And we're all set. There they are. Maria Althea. Meron na. Tapos temperature check sa tayo.
Temperature may lang.
Okay.
What your
Stuff.
Oh wow, oh wow. Wow, lakas. Sanay naman tayo mag-workout. Pero hindi tayo sanay. Umakit lang maraming steps. Oh gosh. We're not even halfway. What? Wait, the heels are here. The heels are alive to the sound of music. Beshi. Pagod. You don't have someone with you. You bring a selfie stick and take a picture and go around. Ta-da! There's more chocolate hills there. Let me see. We're here at Bohol Enchanted. And si Ate Marisa ang aming tour guide.
So, this is the start of our tour. So again, welcome po dito sa Bohol Enchanted po, ma'am, sir.
Ma'am, sir. Yes! Kailan po ito tinayo, ate? Open?
Po kami mga 2019.
2 years pa lang. 2019. Wait, I'm just gonna take a video of the rabbits. If you wanna feed them, that's 110 pesos per pack. Hello! Magfi-feed siya ng rabbit. Is it your first time to see a rabbit?
Yes.
Really?
You hold here, baby hair. And then,
Okay. Feed the wabbit. Oh, it's so cute. Look. Why are you scared?
you hold this way. Oh, this part.
Oh.
The top. Wait. That's the sun.
Look, move around.
There you go.
Ah, ha, ha,
Take a
ha.
video now.
I'm taking a video. They're so cute. They're eating. Are they eating? Ang cute. Oh, and then we have guinea pigs. So cute. Hello, guys. Hello.
The baby's guinea pig.
Hello. Oh, this. Hi, my baby doll. Hello, baby. He's talking to you. Say hi. Say something. Say something. He might answer.
Say something.
No. Like do his sound. Do his sound. Oh, kita mo? See, he's answering you. Told you. Go na, feed na. Lahat na lang kinatakutan.
Ilalabas naman ni Sancha yung kamay niya.
Yeah, sunshine of effort. No,
Hey,
just...
gusto mo?
I'm not. Just do it. Just sit na lang.
Yeah! Sige. Hindi yan.
Oh, sit down kasi para...
Yan lang.
Oh, nanay, bebe! You like it? Ay, say thank you naman, Sunshine. Say thank you. Oh, you're... Ayan, buti meron ka na. Hindi ka na nagagalit, ha? Peace tayo, ha? Bye. Eh, paano naman si Darna? Lilipad na siya. Ano pong kinaka-stress ng tarsier?
Yung mga, mas stress yung nila, yung maingay, gano'n.
Ay.
Pag hinahawak-hawakan sila.
Quiet lang daw.
Kaya, minimize lang natin yung voice natin. Saka pwede tayong, mag-take ng photo sa bawat
Flash, yeah. So, tarsiers daw, nagsusuicide if nasa-stress. So, we have to be very quiet, my love. Don't shout, ha? Keep quiet. Quiet, ha? No shouting. Go. It didn't say go slow. It just said keep quiet. First question ni ate, may takot pa sa ahas? Ate, ba't mo tinataas? Alam mo nang ang takot kami. Oh my God. Ah, food pala. Kala ko ahas na. Ah, yan ang food ng tarsier. Okay. Craig, ano tawag dyan?
Mealworm, super worm. Ito yung piniprito sa Thailand.
Oh, yeah. Ah, nakita ko yan pero hindi ko ginustong kainin. Ah, butterflies. Can you hold this, my love, please? Let's go inside the butterfly garden. Butter. 21 days? Succulents.
Mas mahaba po yung life cycle nila kumpara po sa life cycle nila.
Oh, yeah.
Yung process po nila from egg
Yeah. We're at the man-made forest. Why is it called man-made forest, kuya?
Kasi ito may planting lang po ito ng mga estudyante dati, ma'am.
Yeah. Man-made forest. Sevilla Twin Hanging Bridge. Seville. Beshi, medyo kinakabahan ako because it's just bamboo. Walk, come on. Oh, shucks. Tanungin mo kay kuya.
Alin po?
Sino daw nakaisip kuya nitong twin hanging bridge?
Hanging bridge?
Oo.
Yung barangay po dito, ma'am.
Yung barangay daw para, baby, makatawid sila sa kabilang side. Like, if they need to buy something or school, oh my gosh, it's moving. Why is it moving?
Hindi, may cable mo kailangan tingnan.
Oh, may kable yan, my love. Don't worry about it. May cable sa baba, so we are
Back
safe.
in the resort. So tired and sleepy, but
What are we having? Jollibee! Jollibee. Mine is super meal. O, diba? Sobrang gutom lang, besh. Yes.